Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini staking features. Let's get straight into it. First up, eligibility and requirements. So Gemini staking feature is currently available for select cryptocurrencies such as Tezos, XTY, XTZ, and Cosmos, that's Atom. Now there is a minimum balance requirement to participate in staking. You'll need to have an existing Gemini account to use the staking features. So you gotta make sure you meet these eligibility and requirements first. And now on to enabling staking. So how you want to enable staking is to first log into your Gemini account online or through the mobile app. And then once you're logged in, you want to click on staking or earn to access the staking page. And now you want to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to stake, and then you gotta click enable staking to activate the staking feature. Now for the staking process, it's pretty simple. First there's staking reward. So you earn staking reward in the form of additional cryptocurrency. There's also staking duration, and that staking duration varies depending on the cryptocurrency and the staking program. There's also staking reward distribution. So staking rewards are distributed periodically, typically on a monthly or quarterly basis. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Gemini staking features. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.